Romeo and Juliet is one of the highly celebrated tragedies in English literature. It is written by William Shakespeare, the great Elizabethan dramatist. The play presents us the story of the lovers belonging to the rival family. The end of the play is a disastrous and unbearable. Both the lovers die. The play makes us highly restless. Really speaking, it is heart-rending story. However, I do not want to discuss that matter further. I am going to concentrate on some of the important MCQs on this play. Let's see some of the MCQs. MCQs on Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Number 1. Pick out from the following the source of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Options are A. Arthur Brooks' The Tragical History of Romeo and Juliet. B. Matteo Bandellot's Giulietta e Romeo. C. Cinthio's Un Capitano Moro. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Arthur Brooks' The Tragical History of Romeo and Juliet. Number 2. Shakespeare's play entitled Romeo and Juliet opens in the city dash dash. Options are A. Verona, B. Mantua, C. Venice, D. Milan. Correct option is A. Verona. Number 3. Juliet in Shakespeare's play entitled Romeo and Juliet is dash dash years old. Options are A. 11, B. 14, C. 16, D. 18. Correct option is B. 14. Number 4. Prior to Juliet, Romeo was in love with dash dash. A. Rosalind, B. Susan, C. Livia, D. Angelica. Correct option is A. Rosalind. Number 5. Pick out from the following the proposed lover of Juliet in Romeo and Juliet. Options are A. Anselmo, B. Placencio, C. Paris, D. Martino. Correct option is C. Paris. Number 6. Who of the following identifies Romeo in the party held at Juliet's? Options are A. Martino, B. Old Capulet, C. Anselmo, D. Tybalt. Correct option is D. Tybalt. Number 7. Samson stirs the quarrel with the men of Montagues by dash dash. A. Biting his own thumb, B. By making his face, C. By making a sarcastic comment, D. None of these. Correct option is A. Biting his own thumb. Number 8. Who of the following settles the fight between Montagues and Capulets at the outset of the play entitled Romeo and Juliet? Options are A. Tybalt, B. Old Capulet, C. Benorio, D. Escalus. Correct option is D. Escalus. Number 9. Who of the following treats dreams as the children of an idle brain in Romeo and Juliet? Options are A. Romeo, B. Mercutio, C. Tybalt, D. Benorio. Correct option is B. Mercutio. Number 10. Identify from the following the name of the nurse's daughter in Romeo and Juliet. Options are A. Susan, B. Angelica, C. Livia, D. Helena. Correct option is A. Susan. Number 11. Who of the following is referred to as more than Prince of Cats in Romeo and Juliet? Options are A. Mercutio, B. Benorio, C. Paris, D. Tybalt. Correct option is D. Tybalt. Number 12. With which of the following intention Friar Lawrence performs Romeo's marriage with Juliet? Options are A. To get the favor of the prince, B. To win the favor of Romeo, C. To establish peace between two mighty families of Verona, D. To take revenge on Rosalind. Correct option is C. To establish peace between the mighty families in Verona. Number 13. Who of the following speaks the lines given below in Romeo and Juliet? No man's love then lies not truly in their hearts but in their eyes. Options are A. Friar Lawrence, B. Rosalind, C. Juliet, D. Nobody of these. Correct option is A. Friar Lawrence. Number 14. Which of the following is true to Tybalt? Options are A. He is a kinsman of Juliet, B. He is a duelist, C. He is more than a prince of cats, D. All these are true. Correct option is D. All these are true. Number 15. Who of the following speaks the line given below in Romeo and Juliet? Women may fall when there is no strength in men. Options are A. Friar Lawrence, B. Benorio, C. Friar John, D. Count Paris. Correct option is A. Friar Lawrence. Number 16. Who of the following sings the song given below in Romeo and Juliet? An old hair for is very good meat in length, but hair that is for. A. Benorio, B. Count Paris, C. Mercutio, D. Balthazar. Correct option is C. Mercutio. Number 17. Who of the following performs the marriage of Juliet with Romeo? Options are A. Friar Lawrence, B. Balthazar, C. John, D. None of them. Correct option is A. Friar Lawrence. Number 18. Who of the following died in Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet on the very day of the marriage of Romeo and Juliet? Options are A. Mercutio, B. Tybalt, C. Both, D. None. Option is C. Both. Number 19. Tybalt is slain by Dastas. A. Mercutio, B. Benorio, C. Romeo, D. Balthazar. Correct option is C. Romeo. Number 20. Having slain Tybalt, Romeo seeks the refuge in Verona at Dastas. Options are A. Friar Lawrence, B. Friar John, C. Benorio, D. Rosalind. Correct option is A. Friar Lawrence. Number 21. Lawrence advises Romeo to pass his banishment in Dastas. Options are A. Milan, B. Venice, C. Florence, D. Mantua. Correct option is D. Mantua. Number 22. Who of the following sings the song given below in Romeo and Juliet? When grieving grief, the heart doth wound, and doleful dumps the mind oppressed the music with her silver sound. Options are A. Peter, B. Simon, C. Hughes Ribat, D. James Soundpost. Correct option is A. Peter. Number 23. Pick out from the following the day fixed by Old Capulet as the day of Juliet's marriage with Paris. Options are A. Sunday, B. Tuesday, C. Thursday, D. Saturday. Correct option is C. Thursday. Number 24. Pick out from the following the church where Juliet's marriage with Paris is going to be consummated. Options are A. St. Peter's Church, B. Milan Cathedral, C. Basilica of St. Leander, D. San Marco Basilica. Correct option is A. St. Peter's Church. Number 25. Who slays Paris in Romeo and Juliet? Options are A. Romeo, B. Mercutio, C. Martino, D. Benvolio. Correct option is A. Romeo. Number 26. By giving dashed bouquets to the pharmacist, Romeo buys the dram of poison from him. Options are A. 5, B. 11, C. 25, D. 40. Correct option is D. 40. 27. Who of the following was entrusted with the letter by Friar Lawrence to be delivered to Romeo at Mantua? A. Friar John, B. Balthazar, C. Placencio, D. Anselmo. Correct option is A. Friar John. Number 28. Which of the following situation was responsible for not delivering Friar Lawrence's letter to Romeo? Options are A. John Friar was stuck in the house, B. There was a riot in Verona, C. The letter was lost and was not found timely, D. None of these. Correct option is A. John Friar was stuck in the house. Number 29. In the graveyard, Romeo hands over a letter to Balthazar to be delivered to debtors. Options are A. The prince, B. His father, C. Friar Francis, D. Benvolio. Correct option is B. His father. Number 30. At the end of the play, the Capulet and Montague family reconcile and they decide to erect the statues of Dastas. A. Romeo, B. Juliet, C. Both, D. None. Correct option is C. Both. Number 31. Identify from the following the name of the nurse in Romeo and Juliet. A. Susan, B. Rosalie, C. Angelica, D. Livia. Correct option is C. Angelica. Number 32. Who of the following dies by hearing the banishment of Romeo in Romeo and Juliet? Options are A. Montague, B. Lady Montague, C. Juliet, D. Rosalie. Correct option is D. Lady Montague.